Oh, what? Mom, get your booty up! There's a new arcade that just opened today. I want to go to it. I want to be the first person there.
Okay, we have a few more dollars.
Okay, come on. Woohoo! Wait. I'm so excited that I jumped off and broke every part of my body.
Oh, wow, you must be
I can't do it that way. How far is it again? Oh, Mom, this is a big city. I don't know where it is. Oh, I think it's up here. Whoa, whoa, it's an arcade. Yo, Mom, I'm gonna go play every game here.
Okay, I'll be watching you.
Okay. I swear I saw someone behind here. Oh, I guess I'm just imagining. Oh, hi, sir. How much for a ticket?
How much for tickets for the games?
Yeah.
The tickets are 5 cents per ticket.
Okay. I'll give you 10 cents for 10 tickets for the game. Okay, thanks. I might get drinks later. Yeah, while I was running here, I'm already thirsty anyway, so... Mom, can you give me a PB&J and a Coke? Oh yeah, the game. Please, with a cherry on top. I keep hitting the wrong thing.
What would you like?
I would like for my son no ice, Coca-Cola, and PB.
I mean, it already comes with ice anyway, so I wouldn't say really. Yeah, one.
Okay.
Oh yeah, sir. I just looked at your menu. It says that what are these options? Because I can barely see them.
PB&J, that's $5. And
Thank you.
$5, please.
$5?
Here. I wonder what these buttons do.
So
I'm sorry. You can go back in your spot, please. you can go back.
ma'am, please take your son away.
I will hit you multiple times in the butt if you do not go back to playing your game.
Oh,
Okay.
do you guys want to pay an extra $10 to get the VIP lounge?
No.
Actually, I will. I have $50,000 still left here.
What?
You have what?
Don't worry about it. Grab that.
All right,
Grab the
allow me to show you
$10.
to the lounge.
Alright.
Whoa, this is very cool.
So you get a free long TV. You get
Whoa.
a beanbag and a big couch. You get a whole
Oh, who are you?
library of books.
That's someone. Oh, Mom, watch out! Mom, watch out! Oh,
Not my problem.
oh, where are you taking me?
I love being in the arcade. At the TV.
Sir, where are you taking me? Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, ow! Oh.
Hello, sir.
I've never came to this arcade. Not right now.
What is this? Oh, oh. Huh? Don't do this. Oh. Oh.
Get out of the house.
You don't have.
Anyway,
I'm sorry. Please.